You might not believe it, but your body can start feeling noticeably younger in just a few days. And it all begins the moment you wake up. In this video, I'll show you one simple morning habit that can reactivate your energy, sharpen your focus, and even make your skin and mood look different within 3 days. Stay until the end, because it's something most people overlook every single morning, and it costs absolutely nothing. If you enjoy learning simple, science-based ways to feel better every day, make sure you subscribe. It really helps this community grow. Now, picture this. You wake up, your alarm goes off, and instead of feeling refreshed, you feel heavy, stiff, and strangely older than you did the day before. You might reach for coffee immediately, scroll through your phone, and push your body straight into stress mode before it even has a chance to wake up naturally. According to some studies, that first 10 minutes after waking up can completely shift how your hormones, circulation, and metabolism work for the rest of the day. There's one small thing you can do right after opening your eyes that may change everything. And no, it's not another supplement or trendy detox routine. It's a simple reset that signals your body to release energy, rebalance stress hormones, and rehydrate your cells before you even step out of bed. And yes, if you're wondering, it works even better than caffeine, without the crash. Oh, and don't worry, it doesn't involve cold showers. I promise I'm not that kind of doctor. So here's what actually happens when you first wake up. Your body moves from a deep recovery mode into alertness. Your blood pressure rises, your heart rate adjusts, and your hormones shift from repair to readiness. But if you rush this process with caffeine, screens, or stress, you interrupt one of the most powerful natural resets your body performs each day. Research indicates that those first quiet moments in the morning may be when your cells repair themselves the most efficiently, almost like your body's internal reboot. It's possible that this is why many people who start their day more gently notice better focus, fewer mood swings, and even more stable energy. Your body isn't fighting to catch up. It's flowing with its natural rhythm. One easy way to support this process? Before you even grab your phone, drink a full glass of water while taking a few slow, deep breaths. It signals to your brain that the night is over, oxygenates your blood, and jumpstarts your circulation in a way no espresso ever could. And yes, I can almost hear some of you saying, "But my coffee is sacred." Don't worry, you can still have it. Just give your body 10 calm minutes first. Think of it as letting your system boot up before hitting the gas pedal. What's truly fascinating is how quickly your body can respond once you start your mornings differently. Within just a few days, people often notice they wake up clearer, lighter, and with more energy that actually lasts. Some data shows that when your morning routine supports natural hormone rhythms, especially cortisol and melatonin, your metabolism and mood begin to synchronize again. It's like your body finally remembers how it's supposed to feel. You might notice something as simple as smoother digestion, better focus, or even fewer sugar cravings later in the day. That's not magic. It's your internal clock working for you, not against you. One gentle way to reinforce this rhythm is to get a few minutes of natural light in the morning. Open your window, step outside, or just face the daylight while breathing deeply. It may help reset your brain's wake-up signal and keep your energy steady until evening. And no, you don't need to run a marathon at sunrise. Though if you're chasing your cat around trying to stop it from knocking things over, that technically counts as cardio. Your mornings set the tone for every system in your body. When you treat them like the foundation they are, you give yourself the chance to restore vitality, focus, and strength, no matter your age. The future of your health depends on the choices you make today, so start tomorrow morning differently. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how your mornings evolve.